This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials, network and a clean process state. First, make sure you are on wired or stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Roblox needs a steady connection. Then, close the Roblox app and kill any Roblox player beta or browser processes in Task Manager so cached sessions don't interfere. Once done, restart your device to clear temporary issues and apply pending system updates. This often resolves permission and driver conflicts. After reboot, open Roblox and test a basic game to confirm progress. You now focus on software integrity and compatibility. Run the Roblox installer and choose Repair or perform a clean reinstall to replace corrupted files. This retains your account but resets local assets. Next, update your GPU drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to the latest WHQL build because rendering issues often break client startup. Also verify DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes are current and install any pending Windows updates. Those system components are why Roblox may fail to launch or crash during gameplay. You finish by isolating network and permission causes. Flush DNS with ipconfig/flushdins and renew your IP using ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. This resolves name resolution problems. Temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, and strict firewall or antivirus rules because they can block Roblox ports. Make sure to re-enable protections after testing. If issues persist, check Roblox server status and open Event Viewer to capture error codes. Then search for that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.